Ordered this whey protein. This is the raw whey protein. It has these digestive enzymes. Many people have the problem of digesting whey. This is a good one. I have tried it earlier. This is the unflavored one. It will be having no flavors. It won't be sweet. You can use this, like you can add it to oats or something which gives you some flavor. So add some flavor. It's completely raw. It has 24 grams of protein in a scoop, 11.2 grams of EAA, 5.2 grams of BCAA, and 4.2 grams of glutamic acid. This is really good. Have one scoop a day. That's enough for me. And I received my first Apple shipment from Apple store in India. This is the one. I had ordered two things. One was a cable, a USB 3 cable to iPhone, and the MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro, I got a notification it is shipped. I guess it's coming from US. I will make the unboxing video of the MacBook Pro as soon as I receive it. This I received in like 2 days time. They had told 29th September when I ordered, I think, but it came within 2 days, and this was shipped from Mumbai, Thane. So they have a warehouse in Mumbai, and small things are shipped from there. This is the packet. Blue Dart is the courier they use. Okay. Packing is good. So this is the cable. So this is the cable. See, one thing is sure, whatever you buy from Apple stores in India, that's the same price they are selling. There's no difference in price, to be very frank. I would say that if you are getting something from a local Apple store, nothing wrong. It's good. You can just walk in and buy it. This I can use to connect my iPhone to the MacBook Pro, or I was using the adapter. This I can directly connect to the port in the MacBook Pro. Otherwise, I have to use an adapter. This is my breakfast for today. This is millet porridge, fermented. I've added some curd, chili, onion, millets. Today I have my favorite breakfast. This is millets, fermented millets in fact. I usually cook millets once in 2 days. Half I'll use fresh and half I'll make this fermented one. I'll add some curd, chili, onion, salt, and keep it overnight and have it as my main meal. Along with this millets, I would have some vegetables which would give me some good fiber, and even I can have some non-veg like egg or chicken, fish. I have some fish also today. Some fish. October 2nd, Mahindra Thar is officially announcing the price as well as the booking is getting open. I have been getting calls from Mahindra Thar because I had shown my interest in owning a Mahindra Thar. I'm looking for the petrol variant, the four-wheel drive automatic. I just wanted to try it because it looks really crazy, and this was the vehicle in fact I was planning to try. I had mentioned in my previous video when I did my fourth service of Mercedes-Benz. This is not actually the replacement for Mercedes-Benz. I'm not planning to give off my Mercedes-Benz as of now. Let me start using this vehicle, and let's see how things go. I am very sure this is not going to give me the kind of luxury, the kind of power what my Mercedes is giving me, but I wanted to use more of this kind of vehicle and see how it's use Mahindra Thar, and really want to enjoy the mighty presence of this vehicle. Means, see, when I was using the Fortuner, and when we drive and go near another vehicle, it was like a very mighty, like people used to be a bit scared, they were used to be like away. And when we have a small luxury car, or a car like GLC, is something which we really have to care a lot, make sure that nobody comes and bangs in. So I am always too careful about that. Sitting in this Thar, what I understood, I have not done a test drive. In fact, I have got a call from Mahindra Thar saying that you can go for a test drive, we are arranging it for you, and they send me the details of the local dealer. It's India Garage in Mysore, and when I called them, they told that they still have not received the demo vehicle. So as soon as they get it, they will call me and I can go for a test ride. I am eagerly waiting to do the test ride. I will try to vlog when I do the test drive, if I am able to do the test drive. Morning, usually after my breakfast, my workouts, I sit and finish my emails. Morning, I'll have few calls before my workout, or during my workout, or during my morning time, because my office starts working at morning 9 o'clock. So I get calls in the morning. I need to settle those things, and after that, once I have my calls done, everything, I check my mails, I reply, and mostly I will be replying my mails from my mobile phone itself. But I want to spend, I usually prefer to spend few hours in front of the computer, not too much. Earlier I used to sit like many hours. Now I don't do that because because that's not really good for health. It's like I had some trouble with my neck spondylitis, so I just avoid that. Prawns. This is oats with moringa leaf. And some prawns. I try to include at least one leaf every day. This is moringa leaf, is really good. Good source of amino acids, iron, all kind of vitamins, micronutrients. Oats, lots of fiber. It is slow in releasing, so the blood wouldn't spike, but it does have carbs. So I just limit it to 3 spoons. And prawns is my favorite, but I don't eat much because this can increase cholesterol, but once in a while it's good. I just added some salt. This prawns is spicy, so I'll mix it and have it with that. big thing happening is the bid to own the first Mahindra Thar, which would be like a great privilege or great thing, because the money which would be collected would be donated to the PM Care Fund for the COVID. I was just going through the bid. Now, as of now, it's like 1 crore 11 lakhs is the bid. My goodness, 1 crore 11 lakhs. Almost 5,444 people are interested. Auction closed. Congratulations, top bidder Akash Minda. Now the auction is closed. Congratulations, top bidder Akash Minda. It's 1 crore 11 lakhs. Thank you for participating. Registered users will receive further communication via SMS, email. Okay. So that's great. That's great. Serial number 1 Thar would go to Akash Minda from New Delhi. So I am eagerly waiting to book this Thar and I really want to buy one. So guys, that's all for now. Hope you guys had a great day. We'll be back with a vlog very soon. Bye for now. Take care.